So LaSword is here from Temp-tations.
Hi,
Nice to see
David.
you, Angel. Mwah.
Nice to see you.
Having fun on Friday?
Always. I love being here.
This is so much fun. We've got a big show tonight, and we've got a really fantastic offer from Temp-tations. But you need to know about a one-day only priced item. Only available at this price for the day in which it's presented. So this is only good until end of day today or until the item sells out, whichever happens first. This is not one, it's not two, it's a 3-bowl set from Temp-tations. I should also tell you, the price on this is extraordinary. $34.98. 5 easy payments of only $7 each. What do we get?
Oh my gosh, you're getting 3 bowls. First of all, let's just say it's bowl season, right? Because it's summer. So you might not be turning on your oven, but you are definitely making macaroni salads and all those things, and you're serving. So it's going to...
Fruit salad.
Yes.
Baked beans.
Baked beans.
Because this is for cold and hot, isn't it?
That's exactly right. But this is a bowl not only for serving, but for baking as well. And it's going to start with that 4.5 quart size bowl. That's the largest one in this collection. And I love all the detail of the fluting along the side. I'm showing you the floral lace blue engraved on the outside, hand painted on the inside. Then you're going to get a 3-quart bowl. Notice how I'm nesting as I go. So the only storage I need is that largest 4.5 quart bowl, then a 1.5 quart bowl. David, it's a 9-quart capacity.
Now, along with this, you're getting your plastic storage covers for each of the 3 bowls, plus you're getting serving utensils with your ceramic handles and 2 recipe cards.
And I love that. So you're getting a cobbler and you're getting a great fresh garden salad.
The reason I heard you along because blue floral lace just sold out.
Oh.
Gone.
Okay.
All right. So if you can grab another set there, perfect.
You got it.
What we're going to do is go through our color choices. Now, we did not put all 3 bowls out for every color choice because it just wasn't necessary to take up that much room.
Sure thing.
So what you do is whatever color you order, you're going to get the 3 bowls.
Yes.
The matching utensils.
Yes.
Plastic storage covers.
Correct.
And 2 recipe cards.
Oh my gosh.
All right, here's Old World Blue. This is Floral Lace and Light Blue. Beneath that is Old World Confetti. Then this is that eggplant?
It is, yes.
Eggplant and Floral Lace. Eggplant in Old World. Moving over here, I've got this in Floral Lace Cranberry, Old World Cranberry, Floral Lace Red, Old World Red. Moving over here to Floral Lace in the Spice, Old World Spice. This is your black floral lace, black Old World. This is chocolate.
Chocolate.
In the floral lace. This is brown in the Old World, green in the floral lace, and green in the Old World. Now, let me update you now. 500 of these are gone. In the floral lace, light blue and red just sold out.
Wow.
All right, so light blue is gone.
Okay, got it.
And red in the floral lace. Okay, red is gone.
Got it.
Okay, we're going to put these over here.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
The next to go will be eggplant and floral lace.
Okay.
I do want to remind you, you are getting
Thank you.
3 bowls. And what's the capacity on the bowls?
Yeah, so this is going to be your 1.5 quart bowl right here. This is a 3-quart bowl, low profile. You love that because it's not a big, deep bowl that
Fruit
you have
salad,
to fill.
macaroni salad, potato salad.
That's exactly
coleslaw.
right. Coleslaw.
Oh,
Your baked beans, corn on the cob.
You know what's great about baked beans? Put your baked beans in here and then get this into the oven. This is oven safe to 500 degrees.
That's exactly right. In the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher, a 4.5 quart bowl. That's the largest we make.
You know what I put in my
What?
baked beans? I put mustard and ketchup in the baked beans.
Oh.
Along with brown sugar and bacon.
Really?
And then, if I get really crazy, I chop up some onion in there.
Okay.
Yep. It's like a meal all by itself.
It is.
I love baked beans.
It is vegetable.
Baked beans are good.
baked-
See, I threw in some onion because I wanted some vegetable up in there. True story. All right, so this is fantastic. Don't miss out on these because so many ways to use this. Look how much you're getting for $34 and change, and we put it on Easy Pay.
I
How many
love that.
Easies? 5. There's no reorder on this item.
That's
We're
right.
retiring this item.
I know. And in the summertime, to find 3 bowls because you know bowls you're using all the time.
Can I tell you now, 1,000
Well, so-
of these are gone.
Got it.
We are very busy. Were you going to the oven?
Yeah, I was.
Please do.
Wait till you see 4.5 quarts, right? A nice big serving for a crowd. Look at this, David. Even heating all the way around.
Wait, I'll get your oven door.
Thank you.
What did you make?
It's a wonderful dip that you're going to enjoy. It's bacon, it's cheese, it's scallions.
Here, give me your hand.
Okay.
We're going to sway a little bit. This way, and then this way.
Why, for bacon, cheese, and
Well,
scallions?
yes.
Okay. I can totally do
It's a bacon
that.
dip. Yes,
and
it
the
is.
wine. Yeah.
And the wine, yes. And this is a David portion right here. I love that. All right, can I tell you now, we sold out of more. What's gone now, Brian? Black in floral lace, all right.
Got it.
Okay, he was like, Black Temptations. I'm like, which one? All right, so, and the eggplant in floral lace, eggplant floral lace is gone.
Got
okay.
it.
I'll grab, oh, you got those? Great.
Got it.
So now we're getting limited in what we have remaining. 2,000 of these are now gone. 500 people on the phone lines.
Wow, wow.
Next to go and sell out, the red and confetti in the Old World.
Okay.
So please don't miss out on these. You're getting 3 bowls. Now, again, let's just show if folks are just tuning in what they're getting exactly and what the capacities are.
Sure. So you're going to start. The smallest one's going to be that 1.5 quart bowl. But let's talk about the detail, the hand painting, the rope border at the top of the Old World. Love that gorgeous silhouette right there. Then you're also going to get a 3 quart. Notice how I'm nesting as I go. And then, David, look at the size of that 4.5 quart bowl.
This is 4.5 quart bowls. Now, confetti just sold out. I'm going to take all this from you.
Uh-oh. I guess you have to take the matching
utensils. I have to take those too. Yes, I do.
I need another.
Hey, guys, can we get some crew over here
Yeah.
and take all these sold out colors away?
Thank you. Thank you. And look over here. Here's what we can do. Oven safe to 500 degrees.
Mike, come a little closer so everyone can see. Oh, we can't see you now because the camera's way over there. All right. You know what? I got more for you to take. You can come back. You can come back. Go give those to somebody.
David,
our whole crew, I think, just disappeared. I think they're in the kitchen eating pizza bites.
I think so. Look at this. Ooey gooey serving
and
for
sweet,
a
I'm
crowd.
sorry to interrupt you again. Mike, come back in here, young man. All right, Mike needs a little camera time, kids. He's got a baby on the way, like any day now, right?
Next Friday, yeah.
A week from today? Yeah. A week from Friday?
Yeah.
All right. Give your wife our best. That's nice. Okay, Colin, can I give this to you, bub? Have we sold out of more, Brian? Here's what I have left. Okay, what do I have left? 100 left in chocolate and 100 left in the green floral lace. Okay, this is all I have left in floral lace, chocolate and green.
Okay.
All right, so this, that's it. Okay. Now in the Old World, we sold out of confetti, red sold out, spice is gone.
Oh, dear.
Blue is now, okay, blue is last call, black is last call. All right, so this is all I have left.
Cheers.
Wait, is spice gone in Old World? Spice is gone. Okay, gone.
I don't have any bowls to show.
You know what? Y'all are buying everything, which I love. So go ahead and get what you need. This is Banana Town in here tonight. All right.
Oh, woo.
All right. Let's catch our breath for a second.
I need a
Just for a hot
pepperoni
second. I need, what is this? Is this the, what is this, the 7th inning stretch? Is that what they call it? Not real good on that sport. Somebody help me here. 7th inning, is that right? Yeah. Jimmy the Baker, 7th inning. Thank you. Somebody, anybody? I'm drowning over here. All right, what's our story? Floral lace is now all gone.
Okay.
Okay, Colin, let me give you this, bub. Okay, I have only 900 left out of these colors only. Old World only. I have Old World brown, Old World green, Old World black. Is that cranberry or red?
That's cranberry.
Blue and eggplant. And that's all she wrote. When those are gone, we'll take that from you. Blue just sold out. Colin, can you grab the blue once you give me this? Okay, blue is gone. You know what? Are we okay on everything else here right now, Brian? He said, give me 30 seconds and that story will change.
Yeah,
all right.
Exactly.
Wow. All right, so let's show everybody, because things are going so quickly and I know it gets a little chaotic. So let's stop, pump the brakes, and show what we're going to get.
So you're going to get 3 low-profile bowls, all hand-painted in that Old World design with the rope border. The largest is going to be that 4.5 quart bowl.
Y'all got some wine over there?
Then you're going to get the 3 quart bowl. I brought it over for us. Then you're going to get that 1.5 quart bowl. You're getting matching utensils so that it's just perfect. When you bring it to the table, you don't have to use wooden or plastic. And you're getting 2 recipe cards. If you want to break this up into a gift, you're getting a fresh strawberry cobbler and a blueberry feta salad. This is a 9-quart capacity. But you know what I was just thinking, like fast forward to fall, pasta, chilies. I mean, it's great for now, but it's so great going forward.
Okay. We only have 2 colors left.
Okay.
Colin, let me give you these. Brown, black, and eggplant are gone.
These are Christmas colors.
So I have cranberry and green and Old World left. I have 300 left in the green, 100 left in the cranberry, and you're getting all 3 bowls. Let's put those plastic storage lids on there because then we can
Absolutely.
stack it up in a pyramid.
Absolutely
So
love.
big container is how much? 4.5 quarts?
4.5.
Middle container is
3,
3. Top guy,
1.5.
1.5. Matching utensils with
Yep.
the ceramic handles. And the ceramic handles, all hand painted. And are the recipes the same in all of them?
Yes.
All right, this just sold out everything. You're getting blueberry feta salad with lemon poppy seed dressing, yum, and fresh strawberry cobbler.